In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a close grip dumbbell press, but we're going to be doing our repetitions alternating. So what this means is we're going to have the elbows locked into the body. I'm going to have a vague 45-degree angle at the elbow, and I'm going to be bringing one dumbbell up and back down, up and back down. So alternating repetitions means we're doing one at a time essentially. Now, because the main thing we're doing here is elbow extension, the main muscle that does that is the tricep, and that's going to be the primary muscle that we're working in this exercise. Now, let me show you these three different variations and how we can set up. So I've got the dumbbells in a position where they're on my knees, my feet are hip width apart. I'm going to lock in the elbows and come all the way back, so the whole of my back and head are in contact with the bench. From here, I've got that vague 45-degree angle at my elbow, and I'm going to bring one dumbbell straight up, slowly back down, and then the next side straight up and slowly back down. Notice how I'm keeping this angle, so I'm not changing the angle of each repetition, or I'm not coming up and coming above my shoulder. I'm coming directly up from the position I start in. Now, that was one style of alternating repetitions. Another style is, as one dumbbell comes down, the other can come up. So that's a second variation that you can do. And a third variation is where you start with both dumbbells up, bring one down, back up, next dumbbell comes down and back up. Once you've done your repetitions, you're then going to come all the way up to that start position where you have your dumbbells on your knees or your thigh. And from there, you've then completed your first set, and you would repeat, of course, for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. That's how to do a close grip alternating dumbbell press.